Hello students, welcome to online classes from Devasai International Public School. I am your teacher Anjali Panchal. Today I am here to teach you English grammar lesson number 9, empty subject. So let's start this chapter. Students, first start the introduction of this chapter. Sometimes each or there are placed in the position of the subject of a sentence, but they do not refer to anything in particular. That is why they are called as empty subjects. If empty subjects occupy the place of the original subject of the sentence, then where can you find it in the sentence? It is generally located at the later part of the sentence. Students, generally हम it और there को as a subject लेते हैं, but वो सब्जेक्ट का कोई वर्क नहीं करता है, बट वी कैन टेक एज एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट्स एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एक्टिव एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट्स. एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डमी सब्जेक्ट एंड when it is where you can find it in the sentence, so you can find at the later place, later part of the sentence. We can take one example. It is important to raise our voice against violence. तो हियर नो नाउन इज बीइंग रिफर टू इट. यहाँ पे इट के लिए कोई नाउन नहीं रिफर कर रहा है, बट देयरफॉर इट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड इट इज एन एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट. द ओरिजिनल सब्जेक्ट इज यहाँ पे विच वन इज द ओरिजिनल सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल सब्जेक्ट? टू रेज अवर वॉइस अगेंस्ट वायलेंस. यहाँ पे जो मेन मेन सब्जेक्ट है वो है टू रेज अवर वॉइस अगेंस्ट वायलेंस. The sentence can also be restructured in this way. We can also restructure this sentence. To raise our voice against violence is important. We can restructure. To raise our voice against violence is important. So however we commonly do not write the sentence in this way. There are two empty subjects. How many subjects are there? Two empty subjects, namely the pronouns it and there. Two empty subjects are there. One is it and second one is there. For example, it is all right to take the morning bus. There was no one to give me directions. It is a fine day. So here it, there is used as empty subjects. Students, now I want to explain you the activity number 1. Fill in the blanks with it or there. So blank were no gifts from our parents under the tree. तो there were no gifts. यहाँ पे it नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे there आएगा. There were no gifts from our parents under the tree. Second one, dash was difficult to keep ourselves on the berth while crossing the track. It was difficult. There suggests some place and it suggests something. It was difficult. It was difficult to keep ourselves. It had taken us 2 full days. It had taken us 2 full days and 2 full nights to make the crossing. Here we can use it had taken us 2 full days and 2 full nights to make the crossing in third sentence. And fourth one, dash is the story of a great wrong done to one who was noble and brave. तो it is the story. It is the story. यहाँ पे it refer करता है theme को. Number 5, dash were rivulets of fire pouring down the hills like lavas. तो there were rivulets of fire pouring down the hills like lavas. Number 6, there are many poets. There are many poets who have described the beauty of birds and animals. बहुत सारे ऐसे poets हैं जिन्होंने describe की है birds and animals की beauty को describe किया है. It's a fine sunny day, just right for an outing. It's a fine sunny day, just right for an outing. There is nothing that remains of the old place. There is nothing that remains of the old place. It is a miracle. It's a miracle that he has recovered completely. It's a miracle that he has recovered completely. Number 10, There was no one at the door. There was no one at the door. Number 11. It is incredible that the birds migrate across such vast distances. It is incredible that the birds migrate across such vast distances. There were a lot of people waiting to catch a glimpse of her. There were a lot of people waiting to catch a glimpse of her. A sentence may begin with an infinite. ये जो sentences है वो infinite से भी शुरू हो सकते हैं. We can take some examples over here. To provide a good education to his children is his aim. उसका एम क्या था कि अपने बच्चों को गुड एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करना. टू प्रोवाइड अ गुड एजुकेशन टू हिज चिल्ड्रन इज हिज एम. हियर टू प्रोवाइड इज एन इन्फिनिटिव. To provide is an infinitive. However, it is more common for it to begin with empty subject. For example, to wear a helmet is mandatory for a scooterist. To wear a helmet is an infinitive. Students, it is mandatory for a scooterist to wear a helmet. So we can say these examples using it, the empty subject it. It is mandatory for a scooterist to wear a helmet. So here the infinitive to wear a helmet has been replaced with the empty subject it. यहाँ पे हमने जो to wear of helmet जो infinitive है उसको हमने empty subject it से replace किया है. To exercise regularly is a good habit. To exercise regularly is a good habit. Here to exercise regularly is an infinitive, but we can translate this using this empty subject it. It is good habit to exercise regularly. It is good habit to exercise regularly. To win this award was his dream. To win this award is an infinitive. We can also change it by its empty subject it. It was his dream to win this award. It was his dream to win this award. So students, we can start the sentence. We can start making this sentence from the latter part of the sentence. It was his dream to win his award. To learn how to drive a car is not difficult. To learn how to drive a car, it is not difficult. Here, what is an infinitive? To learn how to drive a car is an infinitive, and we can change it by empty subject it. It is not difficult. Students, pay attention. It is not difficult to learn how to drive a car. So we can change it by the empty subject it. Here the activity number 2. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the infinitives with empty subjects. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये पूरा सेंटेंस है वो इन्फिनिटिव मतलब इन्फिनिटिव को एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट से चेंज करना है. टू शूट एरोज इन दिस मैनर requires expertise. It requires expertise to shoot arrows in this manner. यहाँ पे हम जो लास्ट पार्ट है वहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट ऐड करेंगे. इट रिक्वायर्स एक्सपर्टाइज टू शूट एरोज इन दिस मैनर. I hope you understand what I want to tell you. To protect my old cat Minnie and my manuscript was my main concern. It was my main concern. From the last part of this sentence, we will start our sentence making empty subject sentence. It was my main concern to protect my old cat Minnie and my manuscript. To travel to Antarctica requires a lot of courage and determination. So students, यहाँ पे आपको जो verb दिया है उसके आगे आपको यहाँ पे it लगाना. In first sentence we add it at before requires. In second sentence we add it before was, and in third sentence we will add it before requires. It requires a lot of courage and determination to travel to Antarctica. तो यहाँ पे आपको लेटर पार्ट यानी कि जो पीछे का हिस्सा है सेंटेंस का उससे वहाँ पे इट लगा के पूरा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है. टू लिसन टू बर्ड्स सिंगिंग इन द सिटी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल टू लिसन टू बर्ड्स सिंगिंग इन द सिटी. To survive in the difficult mountain terrain takes physical hardiness and mental strength. It takes physical hardiness and mental strength to survive in the difficult mountain terrain. Sixth one, to sing in front of a distinguished audience was her ambition. It was her ambition to sing in front of a distinguished audience. To play cricket at Lord's was his childhood dream. In seventh, we can make this sentence. It was his childhood dream to play cricket at Lord's. To get up early in the morning and meditate was his regular practice. It was his regular practice to get up early in the morning and meditate. Number 9. To watch television from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. was his regular pastime. So it was his regular pastime to watch television from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. To cook exotic dishes is his passion. It is his passion to cook exotic dishes. So students, I hope you all understand this whole exercise number 1 and 2. Now this next point, the uses of it and there. What is the uses of it and there? Here, impersonal it. Impersonal it is used to talk about time, weather, distance, or for identifying something. Where we can use the empty subject it. Empty subject it is used to talk about time, weather, distance, and identifying something. So when to use, and some examples are there. So please pay attention in this in this table. Talking about weather. When you want to talk about weather, it's snowing. It's quite breezy today. It's cold. So here are some example. Identifying something. अगर हम किसी को identifying करना चाहते हैं तो who is it? It's me. Talking about time. So when we want to talk about time, we can use the empty subject it. It's 6:30 p.m. What day is it? It's Monday. So we can take example. It's Monday. It's 6:30. It's 6 o'clock. Talking about distance, how far is it to Delhi? How far is it to Delhi? It is about 1500 kilometers away. It is about 1500 kilometers away. So students, I hope you all are clear about the uses of it. Talking about weather, identifying something, talking about time, and talking about distance. Now impersonal there. Impersonal there is used to show that there is something in a particular place. There is something in a particular place. There shows this place of the particular thing. Singular and in plural. In singular, we will use was with their. Subject there, we will use was. There was a massive demonstration in the square. Because was is singular verb and where is plural verb. Plural, in plural sentence, there were many people in the hall. There were many people in the hall. So students, I hope you all understand the lesson number 9, empty subjects. If you have any doubt or any query related to this chapter, you can ask in our live lecture. Okay students, so goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.